It is actually snowing outside really bad right now. Ooh, Schindler trick. That's cool. Here we go. The reason I'm here again, because I have another appointment. Yes, we're actually under red blizzard warning right now. And I don't want to get stuck in here. So that's why I tried to make this quick. Listen to this motor. Yeah, it has to be an epic motor. And it did a classic low wind, which is I apparently missed it. Oh, Gabio. I don't have a phone with Jane CB439. I'm recording off my iPhone, I'm sorry. And this thing is like wobbling like crazy here. I'll actually look at the control panel itself. Here at the parking level. Yes, this is a private level. There's the egg lantern. There's the camera at the door. It's right behind here. Let's open the door. Okay, let's watch it. Motor. And here are two. Alright, let's go to 1 minute there. Door close button works. I like that. There's the, like I said, there's the bell indicator. And it's attached. So it doesn't come off. Here we are. Just don't want to get stuck in this elevator. Someone called it down.
I did.
Oh, you did? Wow.